Alright, so today I thought I would just show a little bit of working around the property. We got some gravel delivered finally. I'm going to try to fix the driveway the best I can, but I'm not very optimistic just because of how bad the mud is, and it's really hard to grade it right now. I definitely needed to do this in a drier time. I'll definitely have to fix it a lot more once it gets dried out, but it's going to be probably about a month before we get into the home. So I need to make sure that we can still get up and down with our trucks at least. So this is the first of the gravel. I may end up needing a couple more loads just to make it work, but this is going to be a decent amount to at least get started. We got a couple loads here, 24 yards worth, and yeah, I'm just going to try to work on getting that done. I was hoping that they would have been able to deliver it higher up just because this steep grade, my tractor doesn't like it the best, especially under a load. So today's just going to be about a video of trying to fix the driveway and using the tractor. Alright, so my goal is going to be to scrape as much of the loose mud as I can all the way up and down the drive, and then we're going to spread as much of that gravel as I can. This mud's getting way too hard for me to even try to grade. I'm slipping a lot. I think I'm just going to have to start laying gravel and just wish for the best. But I told him I wanted chunky. I didn't expect this chunky. Alright, so we're back day 2 actually, because it got really dark really quick. I hate daylight savings for sure. I was able to get gravel all the way down to next to the house. Now I didn't do a real thick layer just because I wanted this to spread as far down as I can. But this is definitely going to make a huge difference. You saw how the mud looked before I did this. It was ridiculous. It's just a bloody muddy mess. I had to, after I got this finished, I had to take off, go get my daughters, and I was able to get up the driveway so much easier compared to just the day before when I was slipping and sliding everywhere, even in four-wheel drive, because this mud is just horrible to deal with. Now I do have a couple of these rocks that I need to get out of here just because they're a little too big for this. And I'll just use these for something else. Now my plan is to order 2 more loads of gravel because I do want to make this a little bit thicker, and it is going to sink down into it a little bit, especially as we're pressing it in, driving it up and down. But we have a decent base going now, and now I just need to build upon it. So the initial work is done. I spent over 5 hours doing this. It did take quite a while. I had to haul it from the road all the way up, so it took a while. And my poor tractor is not a super powerful one, so it definitely whined bringing up those heavy loads. But I pretty much came all the way up over here. I would actually like to put a little bit more, maybe put some in there for the tractor to be up on. But overall, I think it's not too bad. It's not the best work, but like I said, it goes all the way down, and at least now we have a lot of grip. It wasn't supposed to rain today, but it just started sprinkling, coming down a little bit more. So I don't think I'm going to get as much done as I wanted to today, especially if the storm's rolling in. But something I wanted to do was try to put the greenhouse in, and I need to get a flat area for it. And the only flat area is on that top pad, which the trailers are in the way right now, and maybe this section if I could smooth this out some. I'm not the best at grading with this tractor though, so I'm going to try and see if I can make a smooth enough area where I could build that greenhouse right over here. Now, like I said, I'm not very good at doing this stuff yet, the grading and everything, but I did carve out a chunk where this is pretty flat, where I can use it. I'm going to get some gravel here in the next couple days, or try to. I'm going to lay down gravel first before I do the greenhouse. That way I just do that for the foundation of it and keep it from being too muddy and stuff. Now, originally my goal was to cut down this tree. I don't know if I'm going to get it down or not. It's going to be pretty expensive, especially now that there's a home and stuff. The other option that I considered doing was building a turnaround, which I started to smooth some of this out. I got some stumps in there that I was getting caught on, so I couldn't finish that quite yet. But I'm thinking that if I smooth a roundabout, then I can get like deliveries and stuff where they can easily get in and out too, and just circle around the tree. That might be an idea that I'm going to work on here pretty soon. We'll see how it works out. Like I said, I'm not that good at grading yet. I'm still practicing, still learning, but we got an area where it is smooth enough, and then the gravel, I'll put that down and I'll smooth the gravel out where it's leveled and everything. But that's pretty much it for today and yesterday. I got the gravel on the road, or the drive. That helped tremendously. I was able to get the tractor up and down easier today for sure. I was able to get the truck up and down easy. I got this little section done. We're going to do that greenhouse hopefully in the next few days. We got another storm rolling in, I think tomorrow. It's going to be dark in a couple hours, so I won't have time to do the greenhouse today. Plus, I want to do the gravel first before I do that. So hopefully within the next week, I will be able to do that. I'm surprised that there's actually dandelions and stuff growing The weather's been really weird. I definitely wish I had a more powerful tractor, but I am grateful that I do have this, and it does help quite a bit. I know I'm still learning how to do a lot of this stuff too, which kind of slows me down as well. I'm hoping to get a little mini excavator eventually. I'm working on that. I also have a buddy who's buying some, and he's offered to come out here and help me do some trenching and stuff. So we'll see what happens. Maybe we'll do some collaborations. He's got a YouTube channel and everything too. We also had a guy show up, the electrician, and he ran the wire over here, and he's supposed to be back tomorrow to do the meter and the disconnect and all that stuff. And then the power company's supposed to come out and inspect all that here in the next couple days after that, and hopefully we'll have power in the next week or two. We got the water on the property now, we got power on the way, and septic is scheduled for the 1st of December. So I'm really hoping that within the month I will be living in my home. Anyway, any questions that anybody has, shoot them down below. I try to answer them the best I can. But thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.